Pharma stocks were expected to see some turbulence today as a number of high-profile CEOs testified in front of a Senate committee on the high price of prescription drugs. And while there was a lot of harsh questioning, there was little in the way of what to do about the issue. Ylan Mui is covering the story for us tonight from Washington.
Everyone wants to know why prescription drugs cost so much, and lawmakers today came out swinging to get some answers.
Is the stock price more important than inventing that next miracle cure? Even if you buy the specious argument that a drug price's list price at launch is driven by research costs, what could justify arbitrary price increases year after year, long after the research and development spending is done?
The CEOs defended their pricing, pointing to the high cost of research and development, or what's known as R&D. Merck said it invested $10 billion in R&D last year, and it spent $1 billion on an Alzheimer's drug that never even made it to market. They also tried to shift the blame to the middlemen, the pharmacy benefit managers, and the insurance companies. They say they're the real reason that consumers aren't seeing lower prices on drugs, and they urge lawmakers to pursue a holistic solution.
No one company can unilaterally lower list prices without running into financial and operating disadvantages that make it impossible to do that. But if we all bring the parties together around the table with the goal of doing what's best for the patient, I think we can come up with a system that works for all Americans.
This is just the beginning of the road here on Capitol Hill. Senator Chuck Grassley, the chairman of the committee that held the hearing, said he's not done just yet.
We're not going to accept finger pointing. I believe that we all know, though, that there's so many people in this process and there's so little transparency.
There is a lot of appetite for some sort of legislation on the Hill, but lawmakers still need to agree on what exactly it should look like. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Ylan Mui in Washington.